Hey, I'm so glad you joined me. I want to introduce you to my friend Melva, and she's teaching me today how to make goat's milk.
The first step is boiling the milk, bringing it to a boil. So fresh off the fire, it's boiling, it's bubbling here, and we pour the lemon juice in. This is half a cup of lemon juice to a gallon of milk, and we're gonna just let it curdle.
Now you can see the curdles already.
It curdles real quick with the lemon.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
So how long do we let it curdle?
We can get it going right away. It's like a sieve.
A sieve?
It's easy. We just need the cheesecloth, but I use this to help me maintain steadiness because this is very hot.
She's going to pour this into the sieve. Fresh goat's milk from her farm.
That's the way.
Kind of looks like cottage cheese.
It starts to form right away. So that's the good stuff we've been looking for.
This is where we put the salt in. Look at that. I've had Melva's goat cheese and it's so delicious. So you're just salting to taste?
Yes, just salting to taste. I kind of measured out a little bit. I measured quarter teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna work it in. Try to get it into all of it. This is so good, guys.
And it's good for you, right?
Yes, the goat's milk is very good for you. It's not as much fat as the cow. You gotta read up on it because it's very good for us. I like to start helping it to get all the water out a little bit. Just giving it a little twist. Getting all this stuff out of it. Taste it by itself or taste it on a cracker.
Ooh, I'll let you get your own. Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot. Mmm. Oh, girl. That is so good. Oh my
Fresh goat
goodness.
cheese. We can start eating it right now, or we can let it drain and get drier. I think it's good right now.
Oh, can I have another piece?
Oh yes.
Oh, this is so good. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever drank goat's milk. Do you have any fresh goat's milk I could try?
Oh yes, yes, I have fresh goat's milk.
Oh my goodness, this is heavenly. That's good. I don't know if I'll like it.
Go ahead.
You won't be offended if I don't like it.
Oh
will you?
no, no, I wouldn't.
Oh wow, that's not bad at all. Do you put
Very
this
good.
over like cereal and whatever you'd use cow's
Oh
milk?
yes, it works with the cereal. My daughter likes it with her cereal. We put it with her coffee or tea, whatever.
That
Just
is-
like you use
that's
cow's milk.
actually really good.
Yes.
This is my friend Leland, and he's agreed to show me how to milk a goat.
Now, what I normally do, I get my goat into the position where I want her first, and then I give her some feed. So when I'm milking her, she will focus more on eating than distracting from me milking her. So I put the feed in the tray, and now I give her a gentle pat. And then before I clean the breast, first I clean the breast off with a clean rag. Then I massage the breast so the fat from the milk that's in the breast would kind of break up and the milk would start flowing. So now I'm going to begin.
Oh wow! Can I give it a try?
Yeah, this is your turn.
Okay. Oh wow. So what do I do? Squeeze it?
You pull it, kind of squeeze it hard, or pull it towards you.
Oh, some came out.
Yes.
Oh, my first time to milk a goat.
Right. Now you're gonna feel there's like a clump of muscles in the middle of the breast. If you turn your hand the other way. Okay. and you squeeze in that and then pull down.
Yes, look at that.
Yes, that's a good start.
Well, thank you so much for letting me milk your goat.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Thank you. And what is your goat's name?
I didn't give her a name.
Aw, poor baby, she needs a name.
Okay, she could be named Nanny Goat.
Nanny goat?
Yes.
Hey, Nanny goat, good job, baby. Good job.
Yes.
Are you planning to have her have babies?
Yeah. She goat around here. She's around the corner, and that's her first goat.
Oh, wow.
That's
So
why-
she's already had a baby.
That's how come we are getting milk.
Oh, well, duh.
Yes.
Well, thank you.
But the thing about goats, this particular breed of goat, my understanding is that she will give milk until she gets pregnant, almost until she gets pregnant again.
She won't bite me, will she?
No, not if you're feeding
Aw, how sweet, Nanny goat.
her. Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Leland. This is
Okay.
my friend Leland. And what country are you originally from?
I am from Guyana originally. Guyana in South America.
Awesome. Thank you
Okay.
so much, my friend.
Yes.
Melva and her husband are from Guyana, South America. Melva, could you tell me one interesting fact about your country?
Guyana is called the land of many waters,
Mm-hmm.
and we have the highest straight fall waterfall in the world, and the name is Kaichor Waterfall. It's a beautiful waterfall, and I'm very proud of my country.
Oh, wonderful. So if I ever get to go to Guyana, I need to check out the waterfall. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll show me love by hitting that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Thanks again, my friends. See you on the next video. God bless. Bye.
Bye.